The Annandale Institute for Education is a proud partner of School News Network. Transform your classroom with engaging programs and resources for students and teachers that foster curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking.
We're here at Grandville High School in the Wood Tech class. We are learning today about the Gone Boarding program and other wood-related projects. So the Wood Tech class is designed to help students with their skills for later on in life, such as measuring and using machinery. I know we help this really translate into real life. So the Gone Boarding program started here when the Grandville Educational Foundation was willing to help fund the program, and they've been an integral part of this. And what it is a program where students can make boards. It could be a snowboard, surfboard, longboard, skateboard, and a lot of them really just love the projects because they can make it their own.
I'm holding my skateboard, and you really start off by picking your sheets, your type of wood, and how many pieces you want to make with it. You're going to line them up, get them the exact same width, and then you're going to put a layer of glue on each layer in between each one. Then put them in the vacuum seal bag. It'll seal it down to a mold that makes the skateboard. Then you're going to cut your outline of the board and get it all sanded up nicely on the edges so you get that nice round lip. You're going to take the outline for the chucks and you're going to drill each hole. Then you're going to do your design.
This is the core of my snowboard. This is like kind of the inside part, like the part you don't really see, but it's responsible for all like the strength and a little bit of flexibility too.
I decided to do this board because it was the best option I could find to put on Lake Michigan. It started out from just a normal square-ish thing, and I had to cut it out, make the design, all the measurements pretty much myself.
These are both my boards. I made this one first, this was my first one. Then I made this one after. As an independent study student, I can do all my own projects, which I decided to make 2 boards.
I kind of wanted to implement a little bit of the wood design, as you can see by the background there, and I just think that this is a really nice and beautiful design.
I've been waiting for this my entire school career. I love art, I love working with my hands, I build stuff at home. Mr. Grifhorst is really smart. He knows what he's doing, and he wants us to do good too.
I enjoy helping him out and the other kids out, and it just gives them somebody to look for and be able to get some advice from on their projects.
I never knew how to use all these tools in here, and the teacher to teach you how to do all of it is definitely a very, very valuable resource for anybody looking to do any type of home renovations.
The opportunities here we have at GHS are unmatched. The fact that I can do this myself as a high school student is just wild and crazy to me.
Not only do the kids gain many valuable skills, but also they get to keep the boards. It's really just a great thing, and it really gets them excited about learning.